Welcome back to Autoscope. Motorhome Skoda 2026. Exterior: the front fascia, which has an aerodynamic, heading body line, an angular matrix LED headlight, and a distinctive hexagonal grille, will reflect Skoda's most recent design language. The bodywork will be strong but lightweight, perhaps composed of aluminum and composites, to minimize weight and improve fuel efficiency. It will have retractable side awnings, a roof rack for storing extra equipment, and water and electricity connections on the sides of the body. Side windows with double glazing will increase thermal and acoustic insulation. Interior: the galley area will include plenty of storage space for food and cooking utensils, a sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a medium-sized compressor refrigerator. The counters will be made of solid surface material that is easy to clean. There will be a variety of plan possibilities, ranging from an RV for couples to a family with children. The back will be the bedroom area, with either a fixed double bed or a bed that can be made into a seating area. The seating space has several uses, including a table that can be extended or folded out. The chairs will be covered with premium, durable, and comfortable materials. The RV will have several engine options, including a high-efficiency diesel engine TDI and possibly an electric version BEV, in response to the trend toward electrification. With front-wheel drive FWD or all-wheel drive AWD, you can traverse a variety of terrains. A suspension designed specifically for motorhomes provides the most comfortable ride, even when toting heavy loads. Skoda's virtual cockpit, a large touchscreen entertainment display, and an integrated navigation system will all be featured in the cockpit. The sophisticated control system that will be installed in the RV will be controlled via a smartphone app. The motorhome will use integrated solar panels on the roof to recharge the home batteries, extending its lifespan without the need for an external power source. The car will be equipped with several advanced safety and driving features, such as adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking.